Hey guys, it's Tiffany with Tiff Traveled What's Next. This is going to be a little bit different video than what I normally do. I am still trying to cool off. I just checked into my next, we'll call it adventure, and I'm hoping to be able to work with some other videos to be able to support the small businesses and the videos that I want to do. With that, we will let you see what it was like to get onto the ship. Of course, for everyone, it's going to be different. Everyone has a different outlook on life. Everyone sees things through their own eyes. So you hear some that say, oh, it may be this, it may be that. We didn't have any major problems. I've cruised many times, so I do have something to compare it to. We didn't have any major problems. I thought a few things could have been done differently, but overall, knowing how many people they have to get off the ship and turn around and get the same or close to on the ship, I thought that it went okay. But here's a little bit of the process. So this part here is always exciting whether you've cruised or not. For those of us that have cruised, you understand that this is the time that you hope that everything is right, that all the decisions you made prior to are going to all work in your favor. Sometimes they don't. You roll with the punches. I will say that this is definitely exciting whether or not you've cruised before. You're getting ready to step on the ship. The vacation is about to begin, and it's definitely exciting. You will see me hand him a card. For those of you who haven't cruised, that card is your ticket or submission off and on the ship. It is a card that has your photo attached to it. It's something you give them prior to coming on the ship. It has all your information on it. You cannot leave the ship or enter the ship without this card. So I just thought that I would kind of let you know that. But exciting moment.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, what are you doing? I want to let you guys know what we're doing here. This machine that we are going up to that kind of looks like an ATM machine. We are registering our cruise card. That has to be done when you get on board. There are plenty of these around the ship. If you do a certain amount, you can go back later and add more. You can also go to guest services and they can help you with that as well. I am on the MSC Meraviglia, and I will be doing as much as I can to give you a tour and a little bit of the ins and outs. This is a balcony cabin. We are on 11160. It is actually pretty spacious. The ship itself right now is hustling and bustling. Everybody is getting onto the ship and trying to get settled and get some of the small little kinks out of getting onto the ship. Like ours right now, I'm with my sister, so I need my bed separated. But I'll go around real quick for you and just kind of let you see. They have decent storage. Good hangers. Nice size bed. There's your mini fridge, a little stool / table. You can get you a European adapter, which will allow you to use one of these European slots as an American slot. You can get those off of Amazon. Hopefully I will be able to list stuff for you soon and you can purchase it off of my site. But for now, I will let you know that. A little bit of the information when you check in. As always, still a daily program. The app so far has been really nice. It's worked out really well. Had a few glitches when we logged in. Hope to get that solved here shortly. They are pressure washing the ship, so I am not going to go too far. There's your Disney Cruise Line over there. That's how we came in. There's Port Canaveral, which is right here, and actually we're one of the satellites. There's NASA over there, or Cocoa Beach. And now we do the muster drill. They give you all the information you need, you watch a video, and they know if you do or not in your cabin, and then you go meet the person that in the area to where they tell you to go, and you're checked off, and now you can sit back, take a breather, watch people. We'll go back to the room so you guys can see a little bit more about the room. We were happy with it. I didn't have any complaints with it. There are a few little things that, even though I have cruised a bit, were different for me. I wouldn't say strange or inconvenient, but they were definitely different. The room itself is pretty much the same size as any of the other lines that I had been on. There's not enough whether it's smaller or larger, to compare to any of the other rooms. It was definitely comfortable. We didn't have issues with the AC. We didn't have issues with anything in the bathroom. Overall, I would say I'm happy with the cabin. Obviously, again, as I said in the beginning, everyone's opinion is different. The outlook on life in general for everyone is different. I am definitely someone that takes maybe a little bit more of a positive spin on things. If there's something that definitely stands out, I'd say the two things that I'm pausing on right here. One, which is the do not disturb button. The other is you have to keep your key card in this slot in order for the lights and everything to work in the room. Other than that, I would say that everything is pretty much the same, or along the same lines as any other ship that I've been on, and you probably wouldn't notice a difference. All in all, happy with the room. The next two videos, one being the tour of the ship, the other one of the private island, will be coming up, so stay tuned for those. This will be part one of a 3-part series, so look forward to seeing you guys on the next videos. As always, thanks so much for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe so that I can continue the content and support those small businesses that all of us love. Till next time.